Welcome back to Rough Builds. Today my buddy's bringing over his Ford ST, and he's got a full downpipe and exhaust from the turbo back, so we're going to be installing that, doing a little before and after shots. I'll get more into it when he gets here. Just waiting for him to pull up. Just got the exhaust just over here. Exhaust and downpipe is somewhere over here. CTS, and then he's got I think a cobb tuner. So about to make a little video on this, do it before and after, and see how it turns out. So it's got a stock turbo, got an aftermarket intercooler on it. It's got an aftermarket blow-off valve, as you can hear in the video. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. It's got a short shifter. It's got 19s on it instead of the 17s that are stock.
So we may just throw this thing on its fucking driver's side.
All right, so the game plan here, we got the car lifted up on the ass end here. And if you get under here, you can see it wraps up the rear axle here. And it goes all the way back there. And it dips to the right a little bit. And it goes all the way straight back to the cat there, and then to the downpipe into the turbo. So we're probably just gonna, the game plan now, I think, is we're gonna try and work our way from the back to the front. But we might have to cut it like here, unbolt it from there, and then drop it with that little black thing right there. Drop it there, and then pull the muffler out of here, and then we'll just pull that, drop that, and pull that off, and then we'll work on the downpipe and everything. So we're just gonna work from back to front. At least that's a game plan for now.
I can do it right there. I don't know either. I don't think we're through.
I don't think so yet.
Now we're through.
Cut it pretty damn close to the axle here. So it should just slide right over.
Come on. You're right there. Almost. Thank you. We actually could probably try and push that way a little bit. See if I can try and get. Yep. Come on. Alright, bring it down. Down over now.
just gotta finagle her out.
That's why I tried to cut it as close back as I could to that bend.
There you go. Kind of Turk's way.
Come down with it. No, like twist towards Jake.
Put this down, yeah.
Yeah, bring that corner down. Now, hold right on out.
There you go.
Fuck this shit.
So after you cut it, you just got this hanger, that hanger there, and then you just got to finagle through the axle through over here, and good to go. So now that we got that cut back there, take those off, and we'll be able to pull it back. Plan is to probably take this off, drop it, pull it forward. Be a lot easier than trying to get the whole thing through the back. So that's what we're about to do now. We'll move up to the downpipe, get all that off, and then we'll start piecing together the new exhaust. Yeah, so we're gonna take this little crossbar out right here.
Do me a favor, grab that light off there.
Yep.
Grab that light.
Ah. Got it?
Look at all that room for activities.
Yeah, so now there's plenty to get behind. And that's what those hangers. Oh my lord.
I have to be careful because I got fuel lines right here.
Yeah. You giving that all? She giving that all? No.
Terk, you gotta remind me not to kick the jack stand. Don't kick the jack stand. Are you grabbing high or are you grabbing low?
I'm gonna try to grab low, just guide me.
I'm grabbing my hand. There it is. Alright. See, I just needed that extra fucking ass behind it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, the only problem is it's fucking really rusty.
Yeah.
So, pro tip, kids, you ever get something that's extremely rusty, you keep going, so it starts getting stiff, walk it back. Get that rust out of the threads. Thanks, Pete. The more you know.
Bill Nye the car guy.
You're probably gonna bottom out on that bracket. Hit it. More. Alright. Yep. Alright, stop. Let me heat it. Because I think that was the stud skipping. Okay.
kid. Attaboy.
If I elbow this concrete in my funny bone one more time, you may see me lose my mind.
Think it'd be better to pull it forward?
No, it's gonna go backwards, like that, yeah. And then it's gonna go forward.
Forward, yeah.
Probably not. No.
It's gonna have to go backwards.
We got a hanger back there, don't we?
No.
What's it holding? What's holding it?
Oh yeah, there is a hanger.
I was gonna say, there's a hanger somewhere.
Just gotta drop that, and then that'll just drop all the way down. We're good to go. I mean, you can save yourself a little. Is it gonna come out?
Yeah, hang on.
But that doesn't look like it would like my forehead, so.
Whoa, guy. One exhaust out.
Alright.
Which way is it going? Towards you? Towards me? Yeah. Oh, dude. Stay away from me.
Yeah, buddy. And what were those bolts for from the downpipe?
The downpipe were 9/16.
9/16.
And this cross member back by the bend, where your Torx, where your two Torx are, is a T40 Torx.
Do you remember what the little sway bar thingy was? Those bolts. Is it still on there?
That was a 15 millimeter.
15 millimeter.
For the front crossbar, a T40 Torx for the rear crossbar, and a 9/16
Yeah.
for the downpipe to midpipe nuts.
Let's go. Alright. Now I just got to get in there on the turbo and get that downpipe off.
What up, baby girl?
What's up, dude?
Hey, dude.
Hey.
You made it.
Did you hear it click?
Yeah.
It's like I can't get enough wrist.
I don't even know where it is.
So to give you guys a rough idea where it's at, you're gonna be literally right back over here where I'm tapping on. It's gonna be right down below it. I'm gonna pull the plug out now. That's what your plug looks like. Got a gray wire to it. Zoom in on that. It's the gray wire. You'll see it from the O2 sensor, what color it is, but that's what your plug looks like, and it's hiding back up over in that corner. It's a little difficult to get to, but you can wrap around it. All right, so I wasn't thinking, guys, this cat has two O2 sensors. The one that I already showed you guys was the downstream O2, so the one further down on the cat is the left side plug. The one further up is the right side. So the right side plug is definitely a little bit more difficult to get to. This is what it looks like. This push tab is how you get it off. The problem is this push tab sits against the back of here. So you kind of have to like push it away to be able to get to it and then pull it up and off of there. Then the O2 side of the plug has like a triangle Christmas tree quick connect that's holding it back there. So you use like a trim tool or a flathead or a pair of needle nose pliers to get behind there to pull it off, to be able to get it off, to get your O2 out.
All right, so I'm under the car here. This is where the downpipe was. It had a V-band on it. Took us forever. We were fighting this thing, but we're underneath the car. You have to take this little, it like goes underneath like a skid plate almost, but it's plastic. You gotta take that off. Then you can get to the V-band bolt from here, and then you just take that out, and then you gotta This one was a little rusty, so we had to wiggle it. That comes off, and then you just take that off and feed it through here. There's a little bracket right here. Goes on here, and then it holds the cat up. The cat rests on top of it up here. So you got to take this off, wiggle that off. I'll get out of the car and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so this is what was on it. This rests on the bracket. Where's the bracket at? Yeah. So this rests in there like this. There's another plate underneath here. You got to take these bolts out, wiggle this free. Once that's free and that's free, you just pull it straight through. Here's the new one. Day 2. The V-band didn't like the 1/2-inch impact. Snap the bolt. Got a fresh one from Ford today. Got that sucker out last night. Got a little laid out. Next, about to take these O2s out, put them in the next downpipe. We got the V-band mounted up. I got it. There's the V-band on there, the fresh one, nice and shiny. Go. Just gotta throw a downpipe on there, and then we'll be able to run this sucker back. Yeah, buddy. Sometimes you need a little extra oomph. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Save yourself some time and use a cheater bar.
I'm hoping I was the O2 though, like not a tooth in my ratchet.
Not a tooth.
One O2 down.
Got both out now. Pretty little guy.
Hold that.
About to choke.
You got it?
Yep. Alright, upstream is good to go. There. Nick got a haircut.
My mother says I look very handsome.
Yeah, she does. Smiley. All right, O2s are in. Just gotta throw her in.
Next to the downpipe install.
Yay! When I get here, I got cheese sticks. I got pizza. I'm a happy man. Downpipe's in. I don't know how far up there you can see. We had to put this is a stock hanger, right, Nick? This little bracket thingy?
This?
Yes.
Yeah, that was a stock.
God. So when we first put it on, the holes wouldn't line up, so we had to loosen the V-band a little bit, pull this down a little bit, and then they lined up, then Nick tightened the V-band back up. Now everything's good and tight here. And what are we gonna do? Start working back, or are you gonna plug in the O2s? I don't know. We're gonna do something.
Probably throw in the mid next. Get that up, and then I don't want to forget about the O2s, so I'll probably do that. I'll probably actually do that next.
Yeah, we'll do something, and I'll film it, and we'll be good to go. But downpipe's good, V-band's tight, hanger's tight here. Nick's taking a nap. We're chilling. This thing does look pretty cool on the inside.
Oh, shiny with my fingerprints all over it. I can actually see it from up here.
Sweet. Here we go. Stock gasket.
Let's go for a second. Come on. Let go.
Boom.
Mid pipe. And
Yes, sir.
obviously got to tighten it up. But
Yeah.
that wasn't bad.
No, that wasn't too bad. Good thing for that support, though.
My cross member?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good thing I had wide shoulders too. I didn't even have to like flex or anything. I was able to to twist over and kind of hold it while I was doing that.
Not too bad. Now that that's in, just button everything together. I only got like 2 or 3 more pieces to put together. So I got the mid pipe all up. It's all bolted up and on. You see where the downpipe comes in. I mean, ooh. Got that. We got only 2 more sections to go. Ooh, just had an impact in my butt. 1 and 2. I gotta put the tips on, which are look over here. Right here, baby. It's about to be bad to the bone, dude. Everything's button backed up front. All this shit's back together. Got the O2s back plugged in. Intaked all together. Good, good, good. Now we just gotta jack up the back end of this thing again. These last 2 pieces go on along with the tips. Let me see them bad boys one more time. It's gonna sound mean, but on the underneath, we had the skid plate off, and there's 2 cross members, the small one and the bigger one you gotta take off too, just to get the exhaust off and stuff. So all that's back together. We just gotta throw these next 2, 3 pieces on, and we're done. Am I moving at all or no?
Hey guys.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
What? What are we doing?
That needs to go over the fucking.
Oh fuck. God damn it.
Well, on the other piece, we had to take, what are they, channel locks?
And fold these ears out
Yeah.
to be able to fit the
piece on.
The part that goes over your controller, your upper control arm and the rear subframe, where it connects to the mid pipe, you gotta fold these out because they don't make it big enough to slide the other pipe into it. So use a pair of like channel locks, big pliers, something like that. And make sure you do it all the way around. Don't just do the corners because if you make it flat, it's not gonna work. But this back piece works just fine.
Yes, sir.
Boom.
Got the.
Z-clamp.
Yes.
Ones, you need to get that in the hanger. You good?
Yeah. Punch this up. Where's that mount? You need that or no?
No.
Okay.
Okay. It's in.
Nothing hangers.
It goes like so.
There's another hanger over there. Clamper.
Okay, did that in a bad spot. See how it is laying under it. I'm gonna end up kicking you in the face.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, he's letting you know. He's like, gotta go like right there.
Still gotta put the tips on, but that hanger in. That's all on. Clamping it up there.
I'm just getting ready, don't forget.
finished product. What are those things called? Those little anchor things?
Like a lock, slide, like a lock so it can't slide out of it.
Came with those too, because when we first put this on, this was like over here, so it was offset, but we got it as close to center as we could. But turned out nice. Nice little over the axle, all the way up to the right into the downpipe. Oh, 24 hours later, brand new V-band. Later, full exhaust is done. Now, drop it down, start her back up, see how she sounds, download the tune from the cobb. Corn on the cob. I don't even know what that is, but good job, Nikki. Man's tired. All right, first start it. See how she rides. Just want to give a quick shout out to Nick. This is Porio's Garage. He's got official business cards for always letting us use the garage, all his tools and his knowledge as well to help everyone out. And he has his own business where he does detailing and paint correction, PDR work, all that stuff. So there's the email address if you guys are local, Illinois, Indiana, surrounding Midwest, whatever. But yeah, just a quick shout out to him for always helping out. Let me film a lot of our friends' stuff in there, and soon to be a lot of his own personal business that'll be going up on the YouTube channel as well. So hit him up on the email address if you are close, Illinois, Indiana, somewhere around there, border. Go ahead and shoot him an email and you guys can talk, send him some stuff. That wraps it up. Nick's tired as shit. I'm pretty fucking tired. It's like 10 o'clock at night, 24 hours later from when we started. So did a full turbo back exhaust, brand new downpipe.
3-inch full exhaust, AFE.
AFE.
Catless. It's loud.
It's loud.
Customer's happy.
Sounds good.
It was rolling coal when we fired it up.
Rolling coal, I can make
Did
him
the
popping
tune.
sounds. Threw the tune on it. He likes the Sage 2, said that it made a bit of a difference. You can already tell, so he's already out cruising it. You can hear it a mile away now, so.
We need to do an update video on the pig before it goes bye-bye.
You guys want to see some more of this?
Got the new wheels on it since this last video.
Oh yeah.
22s, 37s.
Still running.
5 transmissions later.
5 transmissions later. Might get a little update video on that. But for now, we out. Catch you guys later.
Peace.
Found my way through the valley, smoking on Cali. Know when I run out, I'll re-up again. Confronted by demons, believe what you're seeing. I hope you know what you're up